Puppet on the Street.
This is Emmy Lou Dickenson, Puppet on the Street, asking people about today's mystery word, investigate. Can you use the word investigate in a sentence?
I used the lawnmower to investigate my yard.
That's almost right, but it sounds kind of funny. Can you try again?
I heard a strange noise and I went outside to investigate.
Ooh, that's a wonderful sentence. Thank you very much.
Sure thing, Emmy Lou.
Can you give me the definition of the word investigate?
Investigate means to study something, like when you're trying to solve a mystery.
What a wonderful definition. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Emmy Lou.
Let's boogie on back to the library.